So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 23rd of November 2023. Here to talk about Nvidia. Yeah, earnings has finally been released. Completely blew out the Wall Street analysts' expectations, but the market in Nvidia still went down. And not only did it go down, we got an indicator of weakness triggered on yesterday's price action. So what does it mean? Because I didn't do a price prediction, I wanted us to see how the price action was going to go, seeing how price was trading around all-time highs and how earnings was going to be released. So look at it now. What do you guys think? Are buyers here? Are sellers here? I can tell you right now, off of this daily time frame, that buyers still came into the market in Nvidia because we closed off of the lows on yesterday's trading action. So this area right here, if you can see it, let me see if I can circle it for you, is where we may potentially see the market consolidate and trade. Now, let's say that we do see that, then that would tell you that this range right here is where the market is accumulating. They're absorbing whoever wants to sell their Nvidia at these higher prices. But if we don't see the market in Nvidia do this, if it's not doing this, then we know that the market is preparing itself for a breakout to the upside. Simple, right? So let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. Let's look at this on the 90-minute chart to see the volatility that has occurred into the market in Nvidia, because we want to see the market's going to go lower still. And when you look at this on the 90-minute chart, do you see any indication that strength is hitting the market in Nvidia? This 90-minute bar was the beginning stages of seeing price go down in Nvidia. Market opened yesterday, right? We found buyers down here around $477. They were able to lift the market up here to $495, and then the market still sold off at the end of the day. So what do you guys think now? Are you bullish or bearish? Well, I think the market initially is still kind of weak. I still suspect that market is going to trend lower in price, all because the buyers could not support this range. They could not support that trend throughout the day. Okay. So overall, this area right here is where we're going to see majority of the selling. Right here, namely here first. Right here. It's a big area of selling there. Market ran up to this zone, price came down, right? This is another zone to where selling is going to, is where we're expecting the market to get hit. Whenever the market runs up to this zone, expected to get hit with selling and price to begin to come down. Now, this is where buyers are though. Okay. So you can kind of see where the market will kind of gyrate up and down to wash out whoever is weaker. If it's the sellers that are weak, the buyers would take these sellers out in this zone and bring the market up higher. If the buyers are weak, the sellers would take those sellers. The sellers would take these buyers out and then move the market down. Okay. Let's look at this on a 15-minute chart. Trying to pinpoint where we can actually see buyers hit the market in Nvidia. So I'll say around this range. Okay. So currently I think price is still a little bit weak. I'm not going to anticipate that the market is bullish yet because of these areas that we identified. Every time market runs to a high point, it gets rejected, comes down, runs up to a high point, gets rejected, comes down. Okay, so we need to see if the market buyers are still willing to buy this stock. I would say around 484 to like 475. If they do that, then like I said earlier in the video, expect the market to do this. Hold on. Expect the market in Nvidia to do this until it's ready to break out. Okay, so that is pretty much what I'm on the lookout for. I'm looking to see if those buyers are going to continue to trade this market sideways. Here it is on the 1-hour chart for Nvidia, and that low into the market. Take a look at this low right here all the way down at the market close. This can actually be the ultimate bottom to where those buyers are going to hit the market and actually lift the price up in Nvidia. So these would be like two targets. This sell zone here and this buy area down there around like 470. But yeah, I don't see a lot of indication that this market is bullish, all because of how the market ended trading yesterday. 3-hour chart. Here it is on this 5. Take a look at Nvidia on the 7. Okay. So let's look and see how low it's going to go. So let me put this back on the daily chart. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. Here is Nvidia on the 3. Not that bad. Volume definitely is high. So like I said, we really want to make that determination if those buyers are hitting the market. Here it is on the 5-day time frame. So like these would be my targets here. So let me put this back on the daily and show you what I'm talking about. Because I'm not going to be massively bearish just yet. Okay, not yet. So the first target is going to be in this buy area down here at the bottom, this buy zone, which is around 2.16%. My second target is going to be around like 466, 4.4% there. And then my third target is going to be like 461, which is about 5.4%. Now, this is where I'm suspecting the market to kind of consolidate and trade within the trading channel if the market is still bullish. So that would be this range here. Okay. That would be the trading range in this particular area. So let's see what happens as we begin next week of trade. I think Friday is going to be half a trading day. So we might not get that much volatility into the market, but definitely upcoming next week. All right, so I'm finished. Everyone give me your thoughts about what do you think the price in Nvidia is about to do next. This is what I'm thinking. This is like a short-term idea. I'm not necessarily looking at this on a longer-term chart, because we look at this on the monthly chart in the next 7 days, 8 hours. We see the market in Nvidia close up there, the high of the bar. This market definitely is bullish, and I will be anticipating that the market's going to break out to the upside. It's just that simple. And that would look like the market's currently trying to do. It's trying to build up enough energy to where it's able to do just that, to where it's able to break out. So even though I'm looking at this from a shorter term basis of price going down, looking at this on the monthly chart in Nvidia, this market is definitely still bullish, even here on the 3 months. So depending on your time frame, it kind of lets you know the idea as to where you suspect price to go. Okay, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different. I'll bring this in a little bit closer.